Good morning, beta. Let's continue with the revision of lines and angles. First exercise we have revised. So let's start with the examples as well as exercise 6.2. First example is you have given this figure P, O, Q, R and S. Two lines are intersecting each other, and you know whenever the two lines are intersecting each other, they will always form vertically opposite angles. So here vertically opposite angles are forming. You have given POR ratio ROQ is equal to 5:7. This you have given. The ratio of the two angles has been given, angle POR and ROQ. You know that whenever the ratio is given, to remove the ratio, let the angles be 5x and 7x. So this angle is your 5x, this angle is your 7x. Now there are two ways to solve this. First way is you can see that these two angles are forming linear pair. So by adding these two angles and equating them equal to 180, they will give you the value of x. And that value of x you will put here in these two to get the angle POR and ROQ. And the another way is, as you can make these two angles, they are vertically opposite angle. So this angle is 5x, this angle is 7x, so this angle opposite angle is also 7x by vertically opposite angle. So if you add all these four angles, they will be equated to equal to 360 complete angle. Okay, so there are the two ways. So I will suggest you no need to do this thing, just directly write 5x plus 7x is equal to 180, 12x is equal to 180, x is equal to 15. X we have got as 15. If x is 15, can I say that angle POR is equal to 5x, 5 into 15, that is 75. Angle ROQ is equal to 7x, 7 into 15 is 105. So these two angles we have got as 75 and 105. These two angles we have got. Now they are vertically opposite angles. So can we write here, this is 75, this is 105 by vertically opposite angles. So in this manner, you can get all the four angles. Any doubt in this? Any doubt, beta? Okay. Now let's start with the next example. Example number 2. Example number 2 is you have given a ray QS. OS is a ray that stands on POQ. POQ is a straight line, and on this straight line OS is a ray. There is another ray OR and OT which bisect this angle as well as this angle. OR is a ray that bisect this angle, and OT is a ray which bisect SOQ angle. Now, if angle POS is X, find ROT. You have to find ROT. POS is given as X. Yes, look here. This is your S, this is POQ. You have given this angle as X. As you can see that these two angles are forming linear pair. If this angle is X, can we say that this angle is 180 minus X? Is it so? Is it clear, beta? If this angle is x, then the remaining angle, this is 180 minus x. Now, you have one ray OR which divide these angle into two equal parts because this is the bisector. As this angle is x, so can I write that this angle is x by 2 and x by 2? Can I say this? Actually, this angle is x. There is a ray that divide this angle x into two equal parts. So can I write this angle is x by 2, this is x by 2. Is it okay? So that means we can say that I'm constructing the figure again. This is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4. Now here, can I write that angle 1 is equal to 2 is equal to x by 2? Is it okay? This complete angle x has been divided into two parts and each part is x by 2. Can I write here angle 1 and angle 2 are x by 2? In the same manner, as you can see that this angle is 180 minus x and there is a ray OT which divide this angle into two equal parts. So can I say that angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to 180 minus x by 2. The remaining angle है, that has been divided into two parts by 2. So if I separate them, this will become 180 by 2 and x by 2. So this will become 90 minus x by 2. तो आपके पास ये जो 3 और 4 एंगल है ये भी आ गया, 1 और 2 भी आ गया. अब आपने करना क्या है? You have to find angle ROT. You have to find angle ROT. What is ROT? ROT, ROT, ROT. This is R, this is T, this is O. So you have to find 2 plus 3. Angle 3 and angle 4 are equal. Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. You have to find angle ROT, which is the sum of angle 2 and angle 3. Is it okay? ROT is the sum of angle 2 and angle 3. Angle 2 is x by 2. So put the value of angle 2, that is x by 2. And angle 3 that we have got earlier is 90 minus x by 2. So put the value of angle 2, that is 90 minus x by 2. Can you see these two terms? They are exactly same.
Anu ma'am, can I take 5 minutes?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Ma'am, I want to interact with the students.
Okay, ma'am.
You unmute 2, 3 of them so that they can give me the response.
Ma'am, I have unmuted 2, 3 students.
Okay. Just a minute, ma'am. My video is not visible.
Ma'am, your video is visible. Ma'am, unmute yourself.
Yeah. Am I audible? Am I
Yes.
audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Anji, good morning, beta.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am.
This is class 9th D.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So why you are speaking very slowly? Haven't taken the breakfast early in the morning? How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
So I hope that all of you, whole of the class that is in good health and taking care of your health, and you are all taking the precautions which need to be taken these days. Okay? And I also hope that all of you are attending classes very regularly. Am I right? Are you attending the
Yes,
classes very regularly?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good with that. So this is very good. So you need not to depend upon the recording. So live classes are cannot be compared with the recording. Okay, where you can clear up your doubts too. Okay, so this is a must that you have to attend the live classes, the online classes. Okay, so otherwise this is your career class, and night class is a career class, and this is the basis for the whole of your career. Okay, so you have to be very serious now, and otherwise you have nothing to do, and parents have only put two responsibilities on you. What are those two responsibilities? Can you tell me, any of you? Yeah, can you tell me, any one of you, what are those two responsibilities what the parents have put on your shoulders?
Study.
Yeah,
To study.
Ma'am,
to
stay
study.
healthy. Hard. Ma'am,
Very
study
good,
hard.
very good. Ah, you have guessed rightly. Very good. Vita. Yeah, yeah. This is one, to study, and other is to take care of your health. So rightly you have said. Okay. So good. So you have to take care of your health. You have to take a nutritious diet and full of vitamins. And
Let's continue with this. Earlier we were finding angle ROT, and ROT is a combination of angle 2 and angle 3. Angle 2 we have got as x by 2. Angle 3 we have got as 90 minus x by 2. So I've written the value of angle 2 and angle 3, that is your 90 minus x by 2. As you can see that plus x by 2 and minus x by 2 are same, they will cancel out. So your answer is 90. So your angle ROT is 90 degree. That we have to get in the question. What we were doing is, only one angle is given to you, that is x, and remaining angle we have got by linear pair, that is 180 minus x. Then one ray is bisecting the angle x. This ray is bisecting this angle x. And when this bisect angle x, that will be your x by 2, x by 2. As you know that bisector divides the angle into two equal parts. In the same manner, OT is the bisector of this remaining angle, and remaining angle is 180 minus x. So 3 and 4 will be given by making half of it, that is 90 minus x by 2. Is it okay? Any doubt in this step, beta? Any doubt? हाफ किया है, सेपरेट कर दिया, ये आ गया. और हमने फाइंड क्या करना था? ROT. That is combination of 2 and 3. 2 is your x by 2, angle 3 is 90 minus x by 2. This is plus, this is minus, both will cancel out. So your answer is 90. Is it okay? Example number 3. In example number 3, you have given this figure. R, S, O, P, Q. This figure is given to you. And you have to show that the sum of 1, 2, 3, and 4 is 360. This you have to show. You have to show that the sum of POQ, QOR, ROS, SOP is 360. That is complete angle. That you have to show. What you will do, beta? Actually, this angle is obtuse, which is more than 90, but no angle is given. So you can't proceed in the number form because no angle is given in the form of numbers like 90, 75, कुछ नहीं given. आपको बस ये शो करना है कि सारे एंगल्स का सम जो है वो 360 है by complete angle. What you will do? I am constructing the figure again. What you will do is you will do one construction, and in that construction, what you will do, you will produce QO in the opposite direction to form a straight line. I have given this name T. What I have done is I have produced QO in the opposite direction to form a straight line. So firstly, you will write a construction that produce QO in the opposite direction to T such that QOT is a straight line. Is it okay? Now, look here, what I will do is, I will give the numbers to all the angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see that by construction, QOT is a straight line. So can I say that angle 1 and angle 2 is 180? Can I write this? And angle 3, 4, 5 is also 180. Maybe this question in the book has done with a different method, but you will do with this. It's very easy. This is a straight line, then angles on the above side, on the upper side of the line, 1 plus 2 will be 180 by linear pair, and angle 3, 4, 5 is 180 by this. The reason behind this is linear pair. Am I correct? No, it is angles on a straight line. When more than 2 angles are there, then it will be angles on a straight line. And in case of 2 angles, it will be linear pair. Got it? So I have written all these angles. What you will do is, we want 360 total. So if you add these two equations, you will get 180 plus 180, that is 360 on the right hand side. So I am going to add these angles. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 360. Is it okay? So I have added 1 and 2 equations. You will write here adding 1 and 2 equations. So I have added. Now, look here. What is the name of angle 2? What is the name of angle 2? The name of angle 2 is POQ. The name of angle 3 is QOR. Angle 4 is ROS. And angle 1 plus angle 5 will combine, give you POS. So can I write angle 1 and angle 5 in the bracket? And after combining, what you will get is POQ plus QOR plus ROS plus angle POS is equal to 360. Is it okay? So I have added angle 1 and angle 5 that will give you POS that we want, POS. Beta, in this question, you have given these two angles. Line PQ is parallel to RS. We have constructed a line AB that passes through M and is parallel to PQ as well as RS. So if AB is parallel to PQ and AB is parallel to RS, can we say that AB is parallel to PQ is parallel to RS? Because these two lines are already parallel, and this is parallel by construction. So all the 3 lines are parallel to one another. Is it okay? Now, all the 3 lines are parallel. Now, if these 2 lines are parallel and this is a transversal, can I take this angle as 1? Can I take this angle as 1? So can I write that 1 plus 135 is equal to 180 co-interior angle? Lines are parallel and XM is a transversal. So can I write angle 1 plus 135 is 180 and angle 1 is 45. We have got angle 1 as 45. In the same manner, lines are parallel. Instead of XM, if I take MY as transversal, if I take this line as transversal, can I take this angle as 2? And can I write angle 2 is equal to 40? Why angle 2 is equal to 40? They are alternate interior angles. Angle 2 is equal to 40 degree by alternate interior angles. Is it okay? So angle 1 we have got as 45, angle 2 is 40. Then can you tell me what is the measurement of XMY? Yes, anyone? Yes, Bhavansh? What is XMY?
हमें XMY की वैल्यू
बोलो बोलो.
हमें XMY की वैल्यू बतानी है ना
हाँ जी. XMY. Yes, Riyanshika?
Ma'am, 85.
Yes, yes, good. This is 45, this is 40. So 45 plus 40 will give you 85. So 45 plus 40 will give you 85.